So this is a basic practice problem for Introduction to Thermodynamics. And the question is, the specific heat capacity of a particular block of steel is 500 joules per kilograms times degrees in Celsius. When we add 4 times 10 to the 6 joules of thermal energy to a block of this steel, its temperature increases by 5 degrees Celsius. And then, so we have our equation here, heat equals mass times specific heat times change in temperature. So the first aspect of this question is, what is the mass of the above block? So we're just going to take all the values up here, which are color-coded, and plug them into this equation here. So it's going to be 4 times 10 to the 6 joules equals mass, because it's unknown, that's what we're looking for, times 500 joules divided joules per kilograms times degrees in Celsius times 5 degrees Celsius. And when you simplify all that out, you multiply these two together, and then you divide this value by these two multiplied by one another, you get a total of 1,600 kilograms. So that's your mass for the above block in here. This question is slightly different. You're given the mass and you're finding the heat. So suppose we now have 200 kilograms of the same kind of steel. How much heat must be added to raise its temperature by 5 degrees Celsius? So we're going to use that same equation from before, and we're going to take values from here. But we also have a mass now, so we're just going to plug in stuff from here and take that value and just plug it all in. So heat equals 200 kilograms times 500 joules per kilograms times degrees Celsius times 5 degrees Celsius. And when you multiply all that out, it simplifies to 5.0 times 10 to the 6 joules. You don't have to use scientific notation here, but it's easier to use. And then the heat is measured in joules, which is why our unit here is also joules.